Greetings kings and queens, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here, welcome back. Today's video, guys, it's a continuation of our back patio transformation. So yeah, come along, let's go tile shopping with us. So guys, we're just trying to basically choose or pick the right tile for us, knowing it's an outdoor space. We want something that will go throughout the years. So that's what we are doing at this moment. So continue watching. So guys, I have a look here from Pinterest, and I think this literally looks, I don't know if you all can see, but it literally, let me turn on my light on the phone. Nice, turn on. It literally looks somewhat the same. So I think we're gonna go with this one. Yeah, it's a little costly, but hey, yeah, but we're gonna go with this one here because it looks like a replica to this. Yeah. So question to you, miss, do you have a lot of this one in store? Because we have a front patio as well, but we're tackling the back first. Do you have a lot of...
You don't see any... Oh, so you see like this here?
Oh, okay.
See anything? This one they right there, they have 269 pieces now.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so you have this in abundance for now.
You have it.
Alright, cool.
Tell me about your grout or your tin set. Are you putting on that?
Hey, let me get a quotation on this first and then I will come.
Previously, we actually did an addition to our back patio where we went ahead and installed the railings, and we also built a bar. Ready, steady, let's go! Oh my gosh, guys, it is time. We are relocating the furnitures so we can make space to get the tiling. But first and foremost, we have to take care of this situation that you see here. We experienced some cracking where when it rains heavily, we experience some leakage downstairs. So we're gonna get this taken care of once and for all. Let's do this! Fam, I also want to pinpoint to you guys that we went ahead and we stained the bar, as you can see right there, sneak peek, but we totally forgot to document it. I mean, all of this is quite new to us, so bear with us. So that problem, guys, like I mentioned earlier, it's getting taken care of. So what they're doing, as you can see, they're digging through and to eventually put some sort of metal, and I don't know the right term, I'm not a construction personnel. Yeah, so we're gonna get, as you can see right here, then we're gonna put in some concrete and get this thing sorted out. No leakage, nothing whatsoever anymore. Bye-bye. Yeah, guys, and I know, don't come for us. The gentleman we just saw working without a mask and also without the shoes, he is a quite stubborn one. But eventually he went ahead and put on his proper gears to work. Okay, so yeah, don't come for me. I tried. I pointed out the obvious, you know, like wearing a mask and all of that, but you know, yeah. Yeah, no shoes. But eventually he's, and guys, please forgive my shoes. As you all can see, I'm wearing like my scuba diving beach wearing shoes at the back patio because for some reason my daughter have a beautiful puppy by the name of Snowy. And she's a handful, and I could not locate my bedroom shoes, nor could I locate my outdoor shoes. So yeah, just close your eyes, ignore my shoes, and ignore the gentleman who doesn't have any shoes. Guys, life happens, yeah. Jesus, Lord God. Oh man. What is life without laughter? Laughter is good for the soul. And I love laugh. I just love laughter. I love happiness, you know. Fams. So my husband went ahead and placed the tiles that we bought so I can see. And I can tell you this much. We went back and changed them. That's a story for another day. It wasn't quite funny on my husband's side, but like, I'm not gonna get into it, y'all. But yeah, you're gonna see we went back to the tile store and changed them. So I do hope you guys like the choice that we finally made on the tile. I think it gives it a clean look and so forth. But eventually you're gonna see the one that we chose. So please comment down below, tell us what you think about our decision. Let's get the ball rolling, y'all. Oh my goodness, I am literally looking at a dream come true, like I mentioned in the last video. It is finally happening, you all. Like, wow. Yes. So guys, for those of you who are watching and you've not yet subscribed, please go ahead and press that subscribe button, you all. Please go ahead and support your girl. Okay, share with your friends, and we have a little saying over here, even with your enemies. Oh my goodness. So guys, I'm not sure when we're gonna have the final video up and running, but I know this for sure, that after this is said and done, this phase of tiling and so forth, we're gonna have to go ahead and do a cleaning, like really get into, you know, in between all the railings, wipe those down, dust out the place, and eventually get to the favorite part, which is decor. So guys, they're working. As you can see, we are about to relocate the bar to this side, right? This side with all the debris there, so that we can get to these parts. No, what am I saying? What I meant to say is we are about to remove all the mess that you see there to the other side of the bar so we can get into tiling this part of the patio. All right guys, you guys won't believe, I really love you all, you know, because it's 12:47 a.m. and I'm doing this voice over here, but we gotta do what we got to do. And by the way, I would really love your feedback based on the tiles that we chose. And first and foremost, do you like this type of content from Sha'z? Like I said from the very beginning, Sha'z Expressions is about, of course, my locks, but we have so many layers when it comes to Sha'z. Let me know. Leave your comments down below. Comment more than once if you have to. Let me know what you think about this new journey that we are embarking on together. Okay, so please give me some ideas of the decor pieces. I ordered some stuff on Amazon. Hopefully they make it in time before Christmas, guys. But whichever way, however way it goes, I will try my utmost best to keep you guys posted. Okay, so yeah, we're going to basically the second half of the patio, and I am so excited. Yes. Ooh, it's satisfying though, I must say. This, watching the grout and whatever they call this goes on the floor, and the process of it all, it is quite satisfying to watch. I hope you feel the same. Guys, what you all think about this style? I think it will, this color, this pattern, it has some sort of a 21st century to it. I'm not this professional, decor person, but I know a little bit. And tell me what you guys think. Do you agree based on the color that we chose eventually? The second choice that we made. Do you guys prefer this one, or you prefer the first one that we chose? Comment down below. Tell us what you think. We think, looking back on how it turned out, it gave the space a clean look, a finished clean look, and that is what I'm looking for. That is the finish, that is the end result that we're looking for. Somewhere that is not clustered, somewhere that is not dark, but something that is quite inviting, that makes you just want to go and have a seat and relax, maybe grab a glass of wine. And guys, as you all can see right now, I literally just came from work, but the work never ends. I had to do something. I'm like, man, this man has been working so hard. By the way, if you're like, Sha'z, why do you have this broom where you have to bend and force your young back? Guys, it literally broke that same day, and I was unable to go back. I was unable to get another broom, so I did that the following day. Hence why you're saying I'm using the broken broom and doing something, because I felt like I had to be productive myself. Based on his man has been working so hard throughout the day, I just had to do something. Though that you see that I'm in my uniform, your girl just had to do what she had to do. So with that being said, thank you so much for stopping by. This is going to be a continuation. I'm not sure after this video if it's going to be the final video, which I doubt. I think I'm going to do another video of the back patio where we clean and reorganize the furnitures, and then probably the next one, which will be the final one, where I go ahead and do a decor and all of that good stuff. So with that being said, thank you so much for stopping by. Blessings, more life. Cheers.